Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for calcium. Yeah. Over here you can find the code number 121162. Calcium A 5 into 6 ml and it consists of R1 calcium reagent 5 into 6 ml, and this is a C certified product. This should be stored in 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am keeping this kit in the ice pack to maintain the temperature. And at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. Now I am going to show you the side view of the boxes. This is the side view. You can find the brand name Erba Mannheim's Excel system pack, and this is the top view. Over here you can find the manufacturing details. To summarize it, this pack consists of R1 calcium reagent 5 into 6 ml. This is the overall pack. Thank you.